Hi beauties, it's Jean with Beauty and the Stamper, and it's day 10 of my 12 days of Christmas. We are having fun with some Dollar Tree DIY and then a couple of little Stampin' Up things that I used to get me started. So I picked up these little hats, and as you know, I have been using a lot of country, wood looking, just very farmhousey. So I picked these up, and I'm going to take these little pieces off of here. And they just pull off pretty easily here. There we go. So I'm just going to use this little hat here, and I am going to use these little ornaments. I'm going to take these off. Just like that. Then I have some of this ribbon here. I'm just going to make a little circle because these snowmen are not going to stay too still on their own. I don't want them rocking around. So I'm going to get my glue gun here, heat that up. Let's see here. Okay, it is heating. It heats pretty quickly. And I just want to see what size I want this. I want it to be a little bit smaller than the snowball, right? It was an ornament, and now it's going to be a snowball. So I think that is good. I'm going to get out my hot glue. We're just going to run some hot glue right there. And make our little guy just like that. And that glue is coming out, so you know it's going to be a nice stick. And these are going to fit just so nicely and keep it nice and straight. So this will be our base. And I'm going to take that hot glue again. And it doesn't look like it matters where it goes. But I'm going to put some hot glue on here. And we're going to take this one. And we're going to put it right on top of the other. So it makes our little snowman there. Adorable. And I am going to get out some red twine. Or not twine, I'm sorry. Some red ribbon. And I'm going to put it around this guy, just like that. I'm going to set him right over here and add a little bit of hot glue right here. And bring this around and add another little bit right there. And now we've got our red. We're going to then use the same one and give him a little, what's it called? A scarf. Doing the same thing. Get it a little bit of hot glue, not a whole lot. But we're going to need more hot glue here. I think we played with it a little too soon. You know me. I think I get to say that every single time. But I'm going to leave that there. And we're going to put some hot glue. I'm going to move this. There we go. And now I'm going to start it up here and have it go around. And that is going to hold those two pieces together. Just like that. So, of course, we know we're making a snowman. We need to add his hat. We need to add his face. And when his hat goes on like this, we're going to want his eyeballs on there. And so I'm taking some little black beads. You can use buttons if you want. We're going to put one right there. Oh, we're going to put another one right here. And then, of course, he has them going down the front. You guys, you can use buttons. You could use anything you want to decorate your little guy here. Look at how cute that is. And I'm just looking to see where that hat went. And once I figure that out, now I don't have anything for a nose. So what I'm going to do is I have this dragonfly punch, and I have some orange paper. And when I put this right through here, look at this lovely little nose that we have. It is a cute long nose, and we're going to be able to put that guy, moving it off to the side a little bit, because you know their noses never stick straight. If I really wanted to, I could go out like that, but we're going to do your traditional snowman. We are going to have him out a little bit, but not a whole lot. Now I have the black dots again, but I'm going to go with the littler ones, and I'm going to put a nice little face. That one's not going. You have one shot with this because it is furry. So if you can't get it, you're a little bit toast there. So look how cute that is. And I'm going to wrap this around a little bit more. There we go. He's so cute. There we go. Oh, he's adorable. And then we're going to put his little hat on. You can put it wherever you'd like. And put it off to the side here. Actually looking to see what would be best. Maybe that would be best. So we're gonna get a good amount there. We're gonna add, I think I'm gonna go with, there we go, his magic hat. And then we have this. There's our little Santa. Oh, Santa. Our little snowman. And he is just adorable. Look at that. Well, I gotta turn it sideways. I'll get a picture for you so you can see. All right, beauties. I hope you have a wonderful day. Look how cute he is. What is that little? That was Stanley doing his part. But see how he just stands right there? Super cute. I hope you like it. If you do, please give me a big thumbs up, and I look forward to seeing you again soon. Have a great day. Bye.